Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension which allows you to directly export all your source code to a PDF document, or you can directly print it directly inside VS Code. So it will add a button. So for installing this extension, just go to the extensions tab and just write here in the search bar print, and as soon as you write this, the second extension which comes by the name of print, you will see this is the extension, and it's used by almost 530,000 developers. And what this extension do, it actually adds a button right here side by side in the editor itself. So just need to click the install button, and as soon as you install it, you need to go to your source code. So this is actually a file here, and right here you will see this button added right here, which is of the print button. So if you just click this button, so what this will do, it will actually open a page in the browser directly, and this print window will open directly right here. So from here, if you have a printer, you can directly print your source code, or if you just want to save it as a PDF file, simply select from a drop down here, select as PDF, and you can select all pages, or you can even save custom pages as well. And you can select the layout here, portrait or landscape. You can see that. And then more settings, you can even say paper size, you can control it, everything. And click on save. And then it will ask you the location where to save it. Simply select. After that, you will see your file has been successfully saved. And as you can see, it also tells you the date and the time. This is the file name, index.php, and you can see with very good syntax highlighting with line numbers, all your PDF is constructed here, and you can see all your source code. This is a simple PHP file, Laravel code here, and with one click you can actually export your all your code inside your VS Code file into a PDF document. So it's a very useful extension. So you can go to any file here which you want to export this. Sometimes you do want to share the source code, and then again you will see for every file here you have this button here. So simply you need to click this button, and once you click it, you will see this window will appear, and you will be able to save this code directly to PDF. And click on save here, you will see the code will be saved with this name here. So you see the code is successfully saved here. So if the code is larger here, as you can see in this case, it basically splits across multiple pages here. It calculates how many pages are required. So in this case, it created 4 pages in the PDF document. So it can handle much larger code as well. So you can see that. So it's a must-have extension. So simply go to extensions, install this extension. It's totally free, and it will save you a lot of time as well. So you can see that. And one more thing you can even do, if you only want to, let's suppose only a part of the code, you can select the code here that you want to export, and then click on, right click it, and then say print. So this will only export the code that you selected, not the full file. So you can even do that as well. Simply select the code that you want to export to PDF, and just right click, and this option is added in the context menu. You will see print option is added. So right click print, and you will be able to export only the code that you select. So this is a extension that you should have. Simply install this extension in VS Code, which will export your code to PDF. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.